Eur Magliana is a railway station in Rome served by the Metro Line B and the Ferrovia Roma-Lido in the Euro or Europa district of Rome. It was opened in 1924 as a Roma-Lido station for the Esposizione Universale Roma as Magliana, akin to the other stations opened at that time: Torrino, Risaro, Acilia, Ostia, Scavi, and Marina di Ostia. It was later renamed Magliana Ostiense, then Magliana again, and finally its present name. The building has been repeatedly rebuilt. Its atrium is decorated by mosaics that have won the Artemetro Roma prize by Antonio Passa, Italy, and Tamás Lossonczy, Hungary. Next to it is a railway depot for both lines. Trefontaine Sports Complex of the Italian National Olympic Committee, CONI. Abbazia del Trefontaine. Palazzo della Civiltà Italiana, Palazzo della Civiltà del Lavoro o Coloseo Quadrato, by Giovanni Guerini, Ernesto Bruno Lapadula and Mario Romano. Palazzo dei Congressi. Basilica Parrocchiale dei Santi Pietro e Paolo. Museo della Civiltà Romana. Obelisco Marconi,